Welcome back to Suraj Gavli channel. Today we are going to explore two places, that is Brahmagiri mountain and Tringalwadi fort. Now we have reached the foot of the Brahmagiri mountain. Brahmagiri is situated at 115 km from Mumbai and 30 km from Nashik. Brahmagiri is a mountain range in the western Ghat of Maharashtra. It is situated in Nashik districts in the Maharashtra state. Trambakeshwar Shiva temple is located near in this place. The origin of the sacred Godavari river is near to Trambak. It flows for 1465 kilometers. First eastward across the Deccan Plateau, then turn southeast, entering the West Godavari districts and East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh until it split into two water courses that wides into a large river delta and flow into the Bay of Bengal. So now we just reached a main checkpost of Brahmagiri mountain. You can see this. I would like to share you mythological story of this place. So Brahmagiri, the hill of Lord Brahma, appear in many mythological and legendary documents. Legends say that the son Gautam and his wife Ahalya resided on this hill. Son Gautam worshipped Lord Shiva to bring Ganga in this hill. This river is known as River Gautami in the Brahmagiri hill. The undulated terrains of Brahmagiri are challenging spots for adventurers like nature walk and trekkings. There are many trekking trails nestled among the woody trees. The ranges are rich with natural attraction and scenic spots. You can see these small caves of Lord Ram, and the steps carved in the rock can tempt anyone. Brahmagiri hill is considered as a huge form of Lord Shiva, and hence the mountain climbing was considered as a sin at that time. In the year of 1908, Seth Lalchand Bhambani of Karachi and Seth Ganesha Das built 500 steps of stone at the cost of 40,000. This has facilitated easy access to Brahmagiri. The water flow in the three direction of the mountain. The one flowing towards its become Godavari river, and one flowing towards the south, it's a Vaitarna river, and the one flowing towards the west is called as west flowing Ganga and meets Godavari river near Chakratirtha. River Ahilya meets Godavari in front of Trambakeshwar temple. Childless family worship at the Ahilya Sangam, and it is believed that they do get a child. From base village, it takes 45 minutes to see Ganga Dwar, the Gorakshanath caves and 108 Swayambhu Mahadev caves, and in the halfway while descending the road towards Brahmagiri takes you till the top in around 45 minutes and almost 2 hours to see the forts completely. There are two temples on this fort, the place which is believed to be the origin point of Godavari river. From here the river flow till Ganga Dwar and then towards Kushavartha Tirtha in Trambakeshwar village.